Now, a mystery illness out west that has concerned parents phoning their doctors tonight. Strange symptoms that come on fast and strike children virtually without warning, reminiscent of a disease thought to have been long vanquished, polio. ABC's Cecilia Vega now with the new clues.
Doctors thought 4-year-old Sophia Jarvis had asthma. Then came the weakness in her left leg and paralysis in her left arm. Doctors say Sophia is one of 5 children in California showing signs of a mysterious polio-like illness, and they are investigating as many as 25 more. Their average age 12, all unable to move some or all of their limbs.
There can be some mild improvement, but overall the level of paralysis remains severe.
The children had all been vaccinated against polio, and researchers suspect this may be a related virus. They are asking doctors around the country to look for other cases. The CDC is monitoring, but cautions most of these polio-like viruses do not end in paralysis. Sophia Jarvis's case appears to be an extremely rare one. Cecilia Vega, ABC News, Los Angeles.